So in this video, I am going to discuss Codeforces around 893, which was rated for Division 2. So in this video, we are going to discuss this problem. So first, let us understand the problem statement. So the name of the problem is C, yet another permutation problem. So what problem I said that we will be given an integer n, and we have to find a permutation of n integers, permutation of n integers, such that if we take GCD of every adjacent element, and then GCD of every adjacent element, then the number of distinct GCD we will be getting will be its score, and we have to maximize that score. For example, in this case, we have n is equal to 5, and let it permutation be like this. So in this case, we are getting GCD like 1, here it is 1, here 2, here it is 2, then 1, and then also again 1. So I am also only getting two distinct GCD which are 1 and 2. So its score will be 2, and this is the maximum possible. So I hope you understand the problem statement. So let's begin to the problem solution. So let my n equal to be 10. So the numbers will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if I say you, if I group all the numbers which are divisible of each other, then I can get the maximum distinct GCD. For example, in this case, if I first choose my number as 2, so if I choose number like 2, so the next divisible of 2 will be 4. Now the next divisible of 4 in this sequence will be 8. So I will simply cut out these numbers. So 2, 4, 8. Then what I will do, I will simply move the next available number. So my next available number is 3. So I will simply write 3 here. Then I will move to the next possible multiple of 3, which is 6. So now none of the other multiple is present of 6 in this array. So I will simply remove 3 and 6 from here. So now what I will do, I will simply choose my number 5. So my next number divisible of 5 will be 10. So I am choosing like this. So I will simply cut out my 5 and 10 from here. Now what I will do next is, after moving all the numbers, because here 7 has none of is divisible, so I will simply put 7 lonely here. Then 9 we also not containing any number, any of it divisible. Then I will simply put 9 here. Then these are all cut out. Then here only remaining 1. Then I will simply put 1 here. So in this case, what is a GCD possible? What is a distinct number of GCD? So in this case, my GCD is 2. So in this case, my GCD is 4. Here it is 1. So in this case, I have GCD as 3. Here it is again 1. Here I have 5. Then here it is also again 1. Here it also again 1. And here it also again 1. So here you can see I am getting 5 distinct GCDs, which is the maximum possible. So which is like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So here I am getting my score as 5. So this is the whole problem intuition. So your problem is solved. So what is the problem? First I will put all the numbers in so let me show the implementation. So implementation is pretty much easy. So first I will simply put all the numbers from 1 to n in my set. Then what I will do, I will simply traverse from 2 till I will simply traverse from 2 till my I is smaller than n. Then what I will do, I will simply choose my k as I, and I will run a loop while my k is present in my set. So I will simply put k in my set and erase that number from my set. Then I will simply increase it by 2, because it's double is a because if I have number k, then its least possible number, which is a divisible of k, will be k into 2. So I will simply multiply k with 2 and simply search again if my set is containing k into 2. Then again I will put it in my answer and erase that number from my set and check, and then I will simply increase my k then again. So at last the numbers which are never occurred in this sequence are only prime numbers. So prime numbers will never be occurring in this loop, in this while loop. So the numbers which will be left, for example in this case we have 1, which 1 will be never occur in this while loop or as a k. So I will simply put the remaining elements which are in the set in my answer and simply print. So this is the problem intuition. So I hope you have understood. So here you can see I'm getting the right answer. For example, in this case for 10, I will simply combine 2, 4, 8, then 3, 6, and then 5 and 10, and then simply remaining all the numbers which doesn't contain, which doesn't have any multiple of them in that set. So this is all the problem intuition. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Until then, stay tuned for the next one. Thank you.